Welcome to the 20th Digital India Storytelling Session. And today's topic is the innovative technology on biometric and pattern recognition. Today we have with us Mr. Govind Agarwal, who is the founder and CEO of Annexi Digital Runners Private Limited. So, welcome, Sri Govind Agarwal ji.
Right. Thank you, Amit.
Right. So, Annexi Digital Runners is a company, rather a startup, which is using these new technologies very innovatively at the grassroots level across India. So, before waiting much further, let's turn to our guest here. So, Mr. Govind Agarwal ji, can you tell us a little background about what Annexi Digital Runners is all about? Just tell us what it does and its services it offers, and how it uses these new technologies.
Right. So thanks Digital India for giving me this opportunity. I represent Anaxi Digital Runners Private Limited. It's a company which provides on-demand verification of people and property. And we are creating a network of around 2.5 lakh digital runners who are like partners to us, spread across 650 districts of India, across all 600,000 villages, to deliver services like background verification, eKYC and KYC for banks, telecom, insurance company, services like data collection, survey, and I have another company called Anaxi Technologies where we do a lot of biometric technologies. We have worked in vein recognition technology, which is a very unique biometrics. And then we work in fingerprint technologies also. We have worked a lot in Aadhaar authentication space. So I'm into this since 2008, and the latest company started in 2016.
Right. So that's very interesting, Mr. Govind. So can you tell us a little bit about what this concept of digital runners exactly is? So what exactly is digital runners? What do they do?
Okay. So digital runners is basically a distributed human network of, we are creating that network where we plan to reach to around 2.5 lakh people who are based in different cities, different villages. And, the way you have like kiosk providers and the way, the whole Digital India showcase is, right now, most of these are government to citizen services which they provide, right? And they have been into this because to provide government services. But there are so many private services which can also be done via people who are based in various villages, right? So we do something like, background verification. So to give you an example, like, Ola, Uber, Flipkart, Domino's, all they have like, drivers, delivery boys who need to be verified. Their address has to be verified, their education, their code check, police check, couple of background verification tasks has to be done before they come into the service, right? So, and due to this all on-demand technology, what has happened is these people are coming from very remote areas of country, right? So there could be Ola driver who is coming from, like a Josha village in Munsaria district of Pittoragarh in Uttarakhand, right? So to verify this individual, you need to have a presence in those areas. So we try to create that presence so that this kind of verification process can be done. And at the same time, these people are digital runners, have a mobile app with them. So they can also do some data collection activities and surveys in those areas.
So now turning back to our topic, I think you were also associated with Annexi Technologies, which also has done some groundbreaking work on new biometric technology and pattern recognition.
Yes.
Can you tell us, I think you also have a patent in a new technology, something to do with biometrics on veins. Can you tell us about these new frontiers and your contribution to that?
Sure. So, in 2008, we got incubated at Nirma Labs. It's a technology business incubator. Government is promoting a lot of incubators. So, Nirma was doing that in 2005, 2006, 2007, the Nirma University, Nirma Corporate Group. So we got seed funded there for development of technology called vein recognition technology. So vein is basically this vein pattern at the back of human hand, which is unique for every individual. And we have worked in this technology, developed a hardware which scans the vein pattern, and then developed the algorithm which verifies a human being, just like fingerprint or iris. The way you see in Aadhaar fingerprint and iris being used, same way vein can also be used. So we have developed the hardware also and the algorithm also. We have a granted patent from US, so we have a US patent right now, and India and Korea patent is pending. So it takes long time in India to get a patent. So that is still pending, but that is the case.